How to block calls on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the phone application on your device, and now go ahead and navigate to the number that you want to block and you think is spam. Once you have opened that particular number, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for block contact. So tap on the block contact option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the block contact option again, and with this you will no longer receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime from that particular contact. So this was about how you can block contacts on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.